Everyone, in this video I will be sharing with you how to earn from Rubi Mining, and this is a complete guide. Cryptocurrency mining has become an exciting way to generate passive income, and Rubi Mining is one of the emerging platforms in the industry. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced miner, understanding how to maximize your earnings from Rubi Mining is essential. In this video, I will break down how Rubi Mining works, the different ways you can earn, and strategies to maximize your profits. Now, let me start by asking and answering the question, what is Rubi Mining? Rubi Mining is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency mining platform that allows users to earn Rubi tokens by engaging in mining activities. The platform provides a simple mining system that users can access via their smartphones or computers, making it more inclusive than traditional mining setups that require expensive hardware. Now, how to get started with Rubi Mining. To start earning from Rubi Mining, follow the following steps. Number 1, sign up on the platform. Register an account on the official Rubi Mining website or app. Then the next thing you do is to set up your mining account. Complete your profile and verify your identity as required. Then you have to activate mining. That means you have to start the mining process by clicking the designated button in the app or software. Just below the big circle, you have the small circle, so you click it and you do that every 24 hours. Then what do? You earn Rubi tokens. Your mining activity will generate Rubi tokens over time. Then you have to withdraw your Rubi that you have mined, or you can reinvest it. You can choose to withdraw your Rubi earnings or reinvest them for more gains or for more profits. Now, these are the ways to earn from Rubi Mining. Mining Rubi tokens. So you can earn from Rubi Mining by mining Rubi tokens. The primary way to earn is by mining Rubi tokens daily. So every day, 24 hours, you go and mine and just click a button and then the mining continues. The platform typically has a simple one-click mining system that runs in the background without consuming excessive device resources. So whether you are online or offline, once you come online and then you click, you can go offline again until after 24 hours before you come back to the app. Then you can also earn from Rubi Mining through their referral program. Most mining platforms, including Rubi Mining, offers a referral system where you can invite others to earn. You earn a percentage of the Rubi tokens that your referrals mine, giving you additional passive income. Then you can also earn by staking your Rubi tokens. So the Rubi tokens that you have mined, you can stake it. Don't just keep it, you stake it. Some mining platforms like Rubi allow you to stake and earn. Then you can also earn by participating in airdrops and promotion. Very soon, the Rubi airdrop is going to be taking place. That's the listing and the launching. Now, here are the tips to maximize your earnings on Rubi Mining. Mine consistently. Don't give up. Every 24 hours, go back and mine. Then refer more users. So you refer other people to come on board and start mining as well. Then check for staking options. If staking is available on Rubi, you stake. Then stay updated by following me on this YouTube channel. I'll bring you information on other things that as they come about Rubi. Then you trade smartly. When the time for trading comes, you have to trade smartly when the price is big. Now, the question comes that, is Rubi Mining legit? Before investing time and resources, it's crucial to verify the legitimacy of any mining platform, and you have to check for the following: the user reviews of the platform, then transparency about the platform, withdrawal proof from existing users. Some of these things that are being said here are the things you're going to find online, but as I'm reading it, I'm laughing because you talk about withdrawal proof from existing users. By the time we start withdrawing from Rubi, the opportunity for other people to join will be very, very minimal. So it is a risk, but it's a risk worth taking, because all you need to do is to click every 24 hours and refer people, and then you can earn. And then when they will list, and then you are privileged to be part of the people that earn from the listing, then you can be able to get paid. Then community engagement is also there. That can be, you get update from the community, and then that can also help you. So reviews from users, transparency from the project team, and other things are some of the things that will help you to be able to earn well on the Ruby. So are you mining Ruby tokens? Let me know from your experience. What is your experience so far in the comment section? Other people have been mining Ruby tokens for some time. I just started today. I just started mining Ruby today. And I am going to leave the link to the mining of Ruby in the description section and in the comment section of this video. So go ahead, click the link and join Ruby. I will bring you more information about Ruby in the next few days. See you there. Bye for now.